Founding Titans is a community-focused relationship optimization platform built to help entrepreneurs surpass their natural human limitations and 10x their network size. Our alpha is coming at the end of May. It includes social feeds, messaging, communities, and vetted perks. But why not show off some of our upcoming features slated for our beta launch later this year? Founding Titans isn't just for social networking. It's your personal professional relationship intelligence system. Our upcoming AI matchmaking system doesn't just tell you who you should connect with, but why and how. Receive detailed breakdowns of why you should connect and how to get the conversation started. The platform isn't just for building your network, but maintaining it as well. Gain insights into your current network. Keep tabs on relationships. Get recommendations on how to engage, and streamline tasks with content suggestions and actions tailored to each relationship. You'll also have the ability to send and receive warm introduction requests. The recommendation algorithms don't just recommend people, it also recommends businesses, communities, resources, events, and perks relevant to you and your business, with reasons why you should engage. Our centralized calendar feature allows you to track your upcoming events and find new exciting opportunities. The platform will allow you to have both list and calendar views, as well as system integrations with your existing calendars and event management tools. You'll also get personalized data on why you should attend upcoming events. Increase community engagement, retention, and monetization with our community management system. Communities have their own communication channels and directories. Also, they can showcase their own upcoming events, perks, and resources alongside detailed analytics. Our first few updates include a comprehensive events management system. Upload event details, agendas, speakers, sponsors, and more. Also, draw in more attendees through our matchmaking system. You can control your events as well with full detailed settings and analytics. These updates are slated to start rolling out throughout this year, leading into Q1 2026. We're offering special discounts for our early adopters, starting at over 97% off for your first year. Pre-order our upcoming features on our website at foundingtitans.com. Every pre-order also comes with early access to our alpha launch. See you all soon on Founding Titans.